I'd say it's drink time. Hello homebrewers! Today is the time to try the elderflower champagne that we made actually not that long ago. So it's time to put this in the fridge and give it a go, because like I said in my last video, it makes that beautiful drum-like noise. Now you can leave it for a couple of more days if you really want. It will carbonate slightly more and become a bit more fizzy, but perfect for where I want. So if you haven't seen how we got to this stage, I will stick the links up there for you to get caught up on how we made this champagne. So I'm going to go chill this and we're going to have a taste. Awesome. So yeah, it's nice and chilled. The colour is looking nice. It's cleared up beautifully. So let's crack it open. Smells good. It's got bubbles. Ooh. Give it a little sparkle. But it has plenty of carbonation in here, which is nice, and it smells really good. Citrus elderflower, which is effervescing, which is very nice. Let's give it a taste. Oh, that is even better than when I first tried it in the bottling. Ooh, cheeky. Ooh, that is nice. So it has a nice carbonation to it, which is looking fantastic. It has a really nice taste. It's not too fizzy. I mean, you could leave it for another couple of days, but at the same time, I like it as is. It's not too sparkling, so it's pouring out everywhere and wasting the precious booze. But it is very, very nice. The fact it's chilled is even better. So it's got a head of elderflower. Not too overpowering, it's kind of nice, not just right. I mean, it is supposed to be a champagne. Not too sweet, not too dry. Not too flavorful, but not too watery. It is a balancing act when you're making basically your own recipe. And it's worked out very nicely. There's enough elderflower in the nose and citrus all at the same time, because it's still got residual sugars, but you can't really taste it. You know, it's not overly sweet. You don't get that slight unaged taste that you get with freshly made stuff, especially elderflower. Not saying that this being aged for a week or two wouldn't change the flavor profile a bit more, but this is really nice. Cheers. And elderflower without the need of vinegar. Wow, that is nice. Best served chilled on a hot summer's day. Now fortunately, this recipe turned out really well. Really well. So the remaining 3 bottles of elderflower I'm not keeping, I'm actually giving them away. Not to you guys, sorry. Someone I know really likes elderflower, so I made this recipe for them. So in theory, they could make it, though they're not going to. But at the same time, I run out of my actual elderflower wine, which is a shame. But the only problem with it is the way I make it, it actually takes 2 years to age, and then it tastes divine. But a minimum of 2 years aging, because I use a lot of elderflower. So I wanted a recipe that's quick, simple, and I can do in basically a month. And it's cheap, so I don't mind giving it away. Even better. Oh, very, very good. So I hope you enjoyed this video and it's given you some ideas for maybe some wild brews of your own, because, well, this was really cheap. And cheap is the way forward, so cheers. So of course, if you like this video, you can check out some of the other ones, and well, you know what to do. Carry on homebrewing, guys. See you later. It's nearly finished.